Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix people nearby not showing up on Telegram. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Go back setting page, enable aeroplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tap on Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Turn off VPN. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. Scroll down, tap VPN and Device Management. Tap on VPN. Disconnected VPN if it's connected. Solution number 3. Telegram offload app and reinstall app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. On the iPhone storage page, scroll down, tap Telegram app. On the Telegram page, tap on offload app, again offload app and reinstall app. Thanks for watching this video.